again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've had a little pink box turn up, which means one thing: Varnail. They always turn up in pink packages. I haven't opened it yet. It won't take much to open this actually because it's all scraped. So shall we see what Varnail has sent over? So this is what it looks like when it arrives. That's got all their details there. If you want to go and have a nosy. Open me. Thank you for shopping with us. Right, let's see what we got. Oh wow, Varnail mystery box. I like the look of this. How pretty is this box? Show your nails, shine your life. Hey Varnail babe. Oh, I love this. The products in the Varnail box are carefully selected by our nail manicurist. There are more than 20 kinds of valued nail gel polish and nail accessories mixed goodies. So there's more than 20 things in here. You can also make a wish list. Leave a note of the items you want in the order notes. Varnail Santa may make your wish come true. That's cool, isn't it? And there's all their details again. That's cool. So let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, look at this hair bubble. It's got little bunny ears on it. How cute is that? That's adorable. Let's have a look. Oh wow, how cute is this? Yeah, look, it's got bunny ears on it. So when you tie it in your hair, you can have bunny ears. I love that. That's so cute. I love little touches like that. I do. That's cute. I like the colours of that as well. Right, should I bring you down a bit now? So I'm going to move this off to the side and we're just going to pull things out. If there's anything that needs swatching, we'll swatch it. So we've got a Dibber Dabber. I love these, actually. These are brilliant for gel paints and stuff. And I always need spare sponges, so I'm really happy with that. Look at all the spares. So it's got 4 spare and it's got 1 on each side. And it's pink. I like it. Right, I can see we've got stickers, so oh, they're pretty. I don't mind them. You all know I'm not a floral person, but I don't mind them. You're a little bit too close, aren't you? Yeah, I don't mind them. And then these ones are white roses. On a pink nail, they would look very pretty, wouldn't they? I like them. Oh, I like these. All different colour stars. They would look really cool on a rainbow set. I like these. I like these. They're nice. They're not too big either. Look at that. Yeah, they're not too big either. I like them. Cool. So we've got all them stickers. Oh, they're pretty. So these are shell pieces. Let me take them out of the bag. These are shell pieces. Oh wow, look at the colour shift on them. Can you see the pearliness? They are pretty. And they look very, very thin. They'd be nice to snap up and put in a nail. I like them. Right, we've got a glitter sequins. Like a sequin mix. Rainbow star. Right, so this is all iridescent and it's got stars, hearts, big stars, little stars, big hearts, little hearts. Can you see the hearts and stars? Very pretty. Gosh, that is a huge pot, guys. A very big pot. You'd never get through all that. Right, then we have got, oh my gosh, I have never seen these in this colour. Let me show you what these are. These are the little flowers that were huge last spring and summer. I've been using them already this year. But these are like a transparent with a pink shimmer. Look, it's the little flowers. I've never seen them in that colour. Big ones, medium ones. I don't think it's got any of the tiny ones in there, has it? I've never seen them in that colour. And it's got pearls and caviar beads. They are cute. I like them. Right, what else have we got? Oh, wow. I've not seen these in different colours. I've actually got these. I've got them in this colour. They're like little blossom. Teeny tiny little... They're like paper thin. Like little blossom petals or something. And they're kind of matte with a sheen. Oh, I love these. And then we've got them in like... They almost look kind of hollow-ish, iridescent-ish. Are they the same or are they different? I think they're slightly different. Yeah, they've got like a pink shift. And they're multicoloured. And then we've got white ones. Oh, I like them. They are very pretty, aren't they? So these are in little pots that you just need to flick open. Oh, look at these. The colour of them are so pretty. Yeah, they're cute. I really like them. I like everything so far. Every single item I like so far. Right, then I can see we have got a mould. Guys, I really wanted one of these moulds. I've seen Nails by Gigi. She had one. And again, these are the flowers. But the mould, so you can make your own. So we've got the big ones, the medium ones, and the teeny tiny ones. So I can make them flowers in any colour I want. Let me just show you guys so you know which flowers I'm on about. These ones, look. I've got the mould to make them. Isn't that cool? I can't wait. Yeah, that's what these are. They're just difficult to see on camera. Yeah, these. I can't wait to use that mould. Right, what else have we got? Oh, what's these? Oh, we've got 4-leaf clovers for St Patrick's Day. Green love hearts, hollow love hearts, 4-pronged stars. What are these? Maple leaves and... look at these. Musical notes. I'm not going to open this one because you can see what they are. Look at these. St Patrick's Day is on... When is it? 17th. So they've come at a good time, haven't they? They're holographic as well. I like these green hearts. Oh, musical notes. Perfect for a St Patrick's Day set, isn't it? Oh, this is a really well thought out box for the time of year, isn't it? Right, next we've got some bling. Oh my gosh. And these are glass. They're not plastic. Guys, look at the size of these. My camera's struggling to focus. All different colour, tiny, tiny little pips. And they are glass. Oh, wow. Look at these lilac ones. Look at the size. I mean, that's my pinky. They are tiny dot little things. Again, you could make little flowers and petals. They are so sparkly. I've never seen anything so tiny in all my life. Look at the size. They are gorgeous. I love them. Then we have got teeny tiny little butterflies. Rose gold butterflies. Teeny tiny ones. Oh wow. Guys, this is a nice box. Oh wow. I've not seen these before. They're like little tulips. Look at these. Little tiny tulips. Oh, they're cute. Oh, they're adorable. They are so cute. Never seen them before. Then guys, look at these. They're like transparent, but they've got a bluey purple. Look at the sparkle. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this, guys. How sparkly is that? And the back of it's got a little plate on it to help it sit flat on the nail. Everything you get from this brand is just really good quality. It really is. Love that. That is beautiful. Yeah, they are stunning. Right, guys, I'm going to move some of this off to the side because it's getting a rather lot, isn't it? Can't believe all this stuff. And it's all really pretty stuff, all of it. None of it, I don't feel like... You know, some mystery boxes, you feel like some stuff's just been thrown in there for the sake of it. I don't get that vibe at all with Varnail. Everything always seems well thought out and, you know, has purpose to be in there, if that makes any sense. Right, let's go. What else have we got? Shimmer Solid Watercolour Grass Green. Look at that packaging. What is this? Watercolour paints. Oh, it is. Do you know, I've got some of these and I've never used them. So these are water paints, yeah. And exactly that, you use them with water. Look at them colours. Look at this lilac-y colour. That's beautiful. And the white. I definitely need to do something with them because, yeah, I've never used them. I like them. Definitely going to have to try them. Right, let's get a move on. What else have we got? Right, we've got quite a few gels here. I don't know if I'm going to have time to swatch them. So this is called Coral Blush. 15ml, and look at these bottles. They're beautiful. Right, let's just look at the colour. It is actually a coral. Exactly what it's called, Coral Blush. That's a very pretty colour, isn't it? I do like that. Varnail gels are nice as well. They are nice. There's ingredients. Anyone wants to screenshot it? Right, what else have we got? What's this one called? The Journey. Oh, it's reflective. I can't get the lid off. Let's have a look at this. Oh my gosh. I can see it's got gold and silver in there. But mostly gold. But it has got silver in there as well. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. That is pretty. Right, then we've got a couple of these ones. What's this one called? Summer Water. Do you know something? I'm pretty sure I've already got this one. I'm going to double check. Because if I have already got it, obviously, I don't want to open it again. Right, yeah, I have already got this one. It's called Summer Water. And that's it there. It's like a blue glitter iridescent, and it's got like pieces of mylar and stuff in there. Can you see? Gives it real depth, doesn't it? It's really smart. Look at that. It's like angel paper, shards. Different, isn't it? Look at the purples. Very pretty. That will probably go in my giveaway box. Right, let's get a move on, guys. What's this one called? Tea Rose. Right, so they're all foil sealed. Oh my gosh. I thought it was going to be a solid gel. It's not. Look at this. It's like, I don't know if that's going to be like an Aurora. Oh, sugar. You can't really see it properly on camera. This looks nice. Got to get these swatched. I don't think I'm going to have time in this video. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to swatch them all off camera and show you all at the end. Right, let's have a look what we got here. Bubble gum. Right, these ones are solid gels. They're in different pots, can you see? Bubble gum. Oh, that's pretty. It's exactly what it says. Bubble gum. I like this little V shape it's got cut out to wipe your brush off. I like that. That's a very cute colour. Then we have got Jade Green. This is a fantastic little box of stuff. It really is. Oh wow. It's almost a neon. Yeah, I think that's a bit of a neon, isn't it? Lovely. Then we have got Berry Yellow. Oh, look at that. It's a bit of a dark, like a dark mustard or something, would you say? Yeah, like a dark mustard. We'll call it a dark mustard. Right, and lastly, this was a big box of goodies. We have got neon orange. Oh, wow, gosh. That is orange. Guys, that is so much brighter off camera to the eye than what you're seeing. I love that. Ooh, some really bright colours here, isn't there? Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, what a box of goodies that was. I'm so sorry I didn't have time to swatch this stuff, but I'm going to be creating some nails with all this stuff because I'm really happy with this box. These little pipsqueak things, I've never seen anything. I have seen teeny ones like this, but plastic. Can you hear them? I've never had them in glass and so just teeny sparkly little things. Yeah, I'm over the moon with this box. I think it's a really nice put together box, isn't it? Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I will leave the direct link to this below with my discount code and everything. Well worth going checking out, guys. Yeah, I've been really impressed with Varnail from the very beginning. I really have. Anyway, guys, yeah, that is it for today. If you've got anything you'd like to see me using first, stick it in the comments. Massive thanks to Varnail for sending it out. I love it. I love my little bunny ears as well. But yeah, that's going to have to be it, guys. Just an unbox today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.